Hey, welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome my new 15 subscribers that joined after my latest video. Thank you for all the likes, thank you for the comments, and I hope you enjoy my content. I'm really excited about this video. As you saw, this is my fourth Nike sneaker. Most of the sneakers in my collection are Adidas, but they don't deliver to my country, they don't really pay me, and they make a lot of decisions I don't like. So I decided to buy a few Nike sneakers, a few silhouettes I really like. So first of all, what do you think about my new setup? I think this looks more like a store, which I really like. I have started with my Type Zoom Nike. Then I really wanted the Super Rep and the Nike Presto. So let's get right into it. And I have a box here. Okay. Orange box. It's the Pegasus Trail 2. Yo, these are sick. So what I got here is the size 10 US. This colorway is Canyon Rust and Mahogany, apparently. Check out the label if you want. I'm really excited to try React for the first time. Actually, this model is the first Nike model I wanted to buy, but they were kind of expensive. This is the Trail version of their Pegasus line, not the Gore-Tex version. I said it before, Gore-Tex is a very overrated, useless material. I'm probably going to make a comparison between these and a trail sneaker from Adidas. This will be a very good head-to-head. I can already see some things I want to change. I cannot live with myself if I don't change something on a sneaker. First of all, the laces. These need rope laces. So I've been wearing these Pegasus Trail 2 for about 2 days. Here is my review. First of all, the tongue design is kind of shit, but on foot it looks okay because it's neoprene and it stretches. The logo though on the tongues is not centered. That's kind of bad. To be honest, they looked kind of ugly on feet, but I think I fixed that by relacing them. Too many logos as with Nike. I went half a size up, but these are narrow as hell, man, and slightly uncomfortable on the heel part after a few kilometers. They are tight on the middle of the foot, even though it's wider towards the toe box. Unstitching the upper from the tongue helped a bit, but there's another stitch inside which connects the tongue and another part inside the toe box. In my opinion, this is not really a trail sneaker with that perforated upper and the two-part sock liner design, because dirt, pebbles, mud, shit can get stuck in between the layers there. Also, these were slippery on concrete, on wet concrete and cobblestone. Regarding the React sole, it is squishy and very nice, but you cannot really feel that after a few kilometers. The things I like about these, I have pulled those useless lace straps on the inside. They look more clean now. The design is sick though, with the wide toe box and the narrow heel part. The colorway is really sick. I love it. The React sole, it is nice though. I have put some creases on these in my 33 kilometers test. These look very cool from the POV on feet. Overall, the sneaker is really nice. I really like it. Of course, I wouldn't have bought it otherwise. And have a guess in the comments which model is going to be my 5th Nike sneaker. But that's kind of it. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor and subscribe. I'll see you next time.